It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 25th of October. I'm Michael Groff. A significant weather system moving on to the west coast, but around here, this far south, all we're going to get is a cold front that comes through with not much fanfare. Some widely scattered rain and snow showers in northern Arizona, isolated rain showers here tonight and early tomorrow, but the big news will be cooler temperatures and some breezy conditions at times. All right, let's talk about it. First, yesterday, a beautiful day, 87 degrees the afternoon high, 63 was the morning low. Both of those 1 degree above those averages here in late October. And as we take a look outside right now here at 9:02 a.m., we've got clear sky across the valley, 72 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 45, relative humidity 39%, the wind from the east-southeast at 10 miles per hour, and the barometer is steady. The upper air look this morning reveals a vigorous area of low pressure along the Pacific Northwest coast. That brought plenty of wind, rain, mountain snow, just a big mess from Central California on northward into the Pacific Northwest and the Great Basin. That will be moving east tonight, but weakening as it does, and most of the moisture and dynamic support stays to the north of us as it does, which is pretty typical for this time of year. The watch warning map, we do have a wind advisory across parts of northern and northwest Arizona up around Flagstaff over toward Kingman. That I-40 corridor could see some gusty winds to 40, maybe even 50 miles per hour at times, especially later this afternoon and this evening, along with a few showers. Here's the convective outlook for today. We've got the standard slight risk of severe storms over much of North Carolina, Virginia, and parts of West Virginia. That broader marginal risk extends as far north as Philadelphia and Atlantic City. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in Phoenix, probably nothing. Statewide, totals generally under 1/4 of an inch for the northern portion of the state as this system comes through here tonight and early tomorrow. And then after that, things should stay pretty dry for a while. We'll talk about what's going on with this weather pattern in more detail as we get to the models. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's that deep trough coming into the western states, cold air aloft associated with that. Look at those heights plunging here. So down at the surface today, sunny sky, a pretty warm day ahead, highs mid to upper 80s. The normal high for today here in Phoenix, 86 degrees. We should be a few degrees above that. The warmest desert spots flirting with 90. And it will turn breezy to locally windy this afternoon, especially across northern Arizona. But even here in Phoenix, could see a few gusts this afternoon, but nothing all that significant. And then tonight, we'll see an increase in clouds, widely scattered showers across northern Arizona. We can't rule out an isolated shower here in Phoenix. This is 2 a.m. coming off of the GFS. And about that time, the cold front will be coming through here. Breezy conditions, overnight lows mid-50s to around 60. And then tomorrow, a much cooler day, sunny sky, breezy conditions at times, especially in the morning, and high temperatures, low to mid-70s here in Phoenix. Just an absolutely picture-perfect day. As we go to Wednesday, we start the day out in the upper 40s to mid-50s. Highs climb back into the upper 70s to near 80, and the sky stays sunny. On Thursday, high pressure builds in rather quickly. Dry air around. High temperatures get back to the mid and upper 80s. And hey, we could be pretty close to 90 degrees on Friday. Again, with high pressure overhead and those heights continuing to come up, and maybe even the low 90s in the warmest desert spots. Mid to upper 80s are likely on Saturday with a mostly sunny sky. And then for Halloween, a little wave approaching us from the northwest, but taken at face value here off the GFS, there's just not much moisture nor dynamic support with it. We could see an increase in high clouds, though. We'll call it partly sunny for Sunday, and high temperatures drop back toward the low, maybe middle 80s. But this will not interfere with any Halloween activities that you may have planned. At least that's how it looks right now. All right, here's a week from today. This is Monday, the 1st of November. We're just flying through the calendar here. Ridging building in from the north and west, a dry northwesterly flow here. And that looks dry and mild. And then going out 10 days, this is Wednesday, the 3rd of November. A big ridge up there across western Canada. Deep upper low off of the west coast, and maybe a little wave rotating around that, trying to come in here for an increase in clouds. But that would be about it. And temperatures would be fairly seasonal, maybe even a little bit above average if this is correct. All right, now as we take a look at rainfall for the Phoenix area, coming off of the GFS ensemble, this goes out for the next couple of weeks. You've got several members in here trying to show some precipitation tonight. I say some precipitation. I mean, some of them are a trace, maybe 1 or 2 hundredths of an inch. The ensemble mean shows barely anything here for this event this evening. And then maybe a little bit of rain as we go into the first week of November, but that still looks pretty unlikely. And temperatures off the national blend of models, it's got us in the upper 80s today, then dropping back toward the mid 70s tomorrow, and then warming up for the rest of the weekend heading into Halloween weekend. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions, always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves an amazing Monday.